Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade the RAM inside your Thinkpad T480. Without further ado, let's get to it. As always, we start by removing the external battery. Next up, we get into our BIOS settings and disable the internal battery. Test it a few times to make sure power is disconnected, and we're good to go. There are 6 screws holding the lower cover on. Let's unscrew them. The screws on the lower cover are supposed to be held on by plastic clips, but one of them was already worn out here. Watch out for that. Next up, we undo the clips from one of the rear corners and work our way to the front. Then do it on the other side. Front is unseated, then we turn our attention to the rear edge. After that, we slide this a little downwards and take it off. To remove the memory sticks, you just pull on these 2 ears here and slide them out. So we're going to be installing 64 gigs of RAM in total. I particularly like this brand because they use SK Hynix modules on every one of them. To install the RAM, just slide it in like so and press down until you hear it click. Now that everything's done, reinstall the lower cover. Press down on the perimeter to lock the clips in place. Just like the T580, the rear ridge always needs a little more attention. Do a perimeter check to make sure everything's correctly seated, and tighten the screw. Don't forget to reinstall the external battery. Reactivate the internal battery by connecting a power supply. This one blinks, which means we're good to go. Boot it up, go to the Performance tab in Task Manager, and once you see your new RAM correctly read, you're good to go. I hope you found this video useful. If you want to see more of these DIY guides, please feel free to hit like on this video and subscribe to my channel. I promise not to spam your feed with clickbaity thumbnails and the like. There should be some more DIY videos popping up right about now. If you're interested in any of them, feel free to click away. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.